From day one, I emphasised that I was an independent candidate with an independent mind. And for all who voted for me, thank you very much. It would be an absolute privilege to serve you. For those who didn't vote for me and those who spined their votes, let me tell you, I will be an inclusive president to listen to all of you. I will be making no distinction on the basis of votes. President who listens, who reflects, and who speaks when it's necessary, and a voice for peace, a voice that builds on our policy of neutrality, a voice that articulates the existential threat posed by climate change, and a voice that recognises the tremendous work being done, the length and breadth of the country, and we need to recognise that and ensure it is properly resourced. But that's your job, that's a political job on the ground. I will raise my voice, and our whole mantra during this campaign was, we can shape a new republic together, and we can use our voices for those who haven't the ability, nor the circumstances don't allow. But my message is, use your voice in every way you can, because a republic and a democracy needs constructive questioning. And together we can shape a new republic that values everybody, that values and champions diversity, and that takes confidence in our own identity, our Irish language, our English language, and the new people who have come to our country. I will be an inclusive president for all of you, and I regard it as an absolute honour, the vote I have been giving, and I will represent you nationally and internationally to the best of my ability and as professionally and as humanely as possible.